Is that a worm or is it a snake? I'm thinking it's a baby snake. If it's a worm, it's because it lost its color, but I can't imagine how a worm would be surviving underneath all of this rock. Because it moved. And when I say all this rock, like I literally dug down that far to get there. So let me show you. It moved. See if I can zoom in. Zoom out. Too close. Okay, where did it go? Shoot. It's going under. Holy cannoli. That is not a worm. I'm pretty sure that's not a worm. I'm pretty sure that's a snake. Trying to hide his head. So, do you think that's a worm? I'm thinking that's a snake. It's a baby snake underneath all this rock. Amazing. Wow. Says something. I'm gonna save it for you when you get home. Maybe you can feed it to Shy.